Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'll be guiding you through how to cancel MBNA Credit Card. To cancel your MBNA Credit Card, the first thing to do is to open a web browser. Inside the URL box, type in mbna.co.uk and press enter on your keyboard. In order to cancel your credit card for MBNA, the most easiest way is to contact its customer service and cancel your credit card. From the main homepage of MBNA, click on Help and Support at the top, and then in the expanded menu, mouse over to Contact Us. Select Contact Us Hub. In order to find out the contact information, how you can get in touch with MBNA customer service. Now make sure that you're inside the credit cards option, and then you will be able to see a couple of methods that you can contact the customer service from. To cancel your credit card, select a phone number based on your location, which should be displayed on the right-hand side of the screen. Make a phone call to the numbers provided and then speak to them. Mention that you'd like to cancel your credit card, and the customer service representative will guide you through the process. Make sure that you've paid off any outstanding balance, used up your reward points for travel credits, and also cancelled any automatic payments set up with the card. So that's how you will be able to cancel your MBNA credit card in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.